Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I haven't played this in a while, so let's see how I do. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're gonna put this here. We're gonna put a door. What about trap door and some. Just a couple. Okay, let me get some stone. And let's go like this. Okay, now we'll put 2 pellets. Thank you. Right about here. We're gonna put this like that. That. This will be the driver's seat. Good. Right in the center. You know, gonna put these like here. Ring around here. Okay. Look like this. Like that. Okay. Just in case if it is me. Just in case of emergency, we put a chair up there. Okay, guys, so let's launch this boat. Yes. Alright, there's something done. Okay. This is completely uneven weight, so it will be perfect. That's that good. It's very good for control. Oh no, I fell. I fell forward. Um, go around. Go through, go through. Oh, there's a jet fish. Like that, and the backward. What? Can I get this back over and anymore? No, no, I can't. I can't control it anymore. Yeah, where I go. Actually, making it way farther than I thought I would. But right. Right here's the planet. Right here's the planet. And I got flipped up. Okay, new area, mushrooms. Ugh, mushrooms. Yeah. I would like some mushrooms. Oh, I like that torso. Okay, sorry. Hmm. Oh, another new area. Hey? Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna get stuck here. Gratitude range treasure. Oh no! My hat is gone! My hat is gone! Oh no 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 no! I jumped off! No! No! This is so good. Okay. Okay. Oh well. Okay. What is a little area? The little platform. Here, 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 here. Oh, here, 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 here. Let's see. Right here, that, here, here, here. Oh, all the way back home. Yeah, that, that, that. Two of those. That, that. Very good. Jump up on. And ripple. Then get chair. Are you able to get it? Yes, I am. Okay. Then we add here. Yep. Those I can put here. Now I want to put more motors. Yeah. 450 gold. Nice. Okay, let's get enough gold. Uh, I'm gonna see. Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's get ahead. Should be pretty safe up here for a bit. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Oh no, oh no. No, I'm gonna fall. Lost balance. I I couldn't get out in time. I lost balance. Yep, I'm gonna need to upgrade that. Okay. Load this back up. So, launch it like this. Actually, let's not let my boat go through. What happened? I don't even move it. You can hear. You have passive healing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'll be trying to beat the game.